Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the number base conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal means 16, base is 16, decimal is base 10. So converting from base 16 to base 10. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic hexadecimal to decimal. First you will see the example 1. So the given hexadecimal number is 2F3, the base is 16. So we need to convert this hexadecimal number 2F3. While converting, what we got? 755. The answer is 755. We will see how we got this 755. Right. So this is coming under this hexadecimal to decimal number coming under the successive multiplication type. Successive multiplication means we need to multiply with the given weightage. The weightage available here, the basis is 16. So we need to multiply with 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. So that is coming under a successive multiplication. So first write the given hexadecimal number 2F3. Right. First we need to write the given this hexadecimal number. Right. What is F? What is the value of F? From 0 to 9, as it is 9. From 10 onwards, 10 is nothing but A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F. Right. From 0 to 9 as it is. From 10 onward, we are need to write with the alphabets. So that is a alphanumeric code. This hexadecimal code is a alphanumeric code. So 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, and 14 is E, 15 is F. Right. So here F is available. So this F is nothing but 15. Right. So the decimal, the number equivalent number is 15. Right. So 2F3 now is written as 215.3. Right. So the given number, the given hexadecimal number is written. Now we need to multiply with the weightage. This 16 power 0, start from 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Right. We need to multiply with the weightages. So this 2 is multiplied by 2 to the power 16. So 2 into 2 to the power 16. 15 into 16 power 1. 3 into 16 power 0. Right. So these digits are multiplied. 2 into 16 power 2, 15 into 16 power 1, 3 into 16 power 0. Right. So 2 into 16 power 2 is nothing but 16 square is 256. So 15 into 16 power 1 is 16 plus 3 into 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. Right. Then go for further simplification. 2 into 256 is nothing but 512. 15 into 16 is 240. 3 into 1 is 3. Now we need to multiply all this value. So we'll multiply, we need to add all these values. While adding, what we got? 755. So this is the decimal equivalent of this hexadecimal number 2F3 is nothing but 755. Right. So what we need to, first we need to write the given hexadecimal number separately, convert this F into 15 based on this value, then given the weightage 16 power 0, 1, 2, then multiply these consecutive values, respective values, and simplify. Finally, after simplification, we got this value 755 to the base 10. That is the decimal equivalent of a given hexadecimal number. Now we'll go to the second example. 237.45. Second example is 237.45. That hexadecimal number should be converted into decimal number. So here we got the points available. The previous example, points not available. Here points also available. 237.45. The hexadecimal number should be converted into the decimal number. So while converting, what we got? 567.26 base 10. Right. We will see how we got this value. Right. First write the given hexadecimal number 237. Dot, here dot is there. So this is the whole number, this is decimal number 45. Right. So each and every digit is written separately 237.45. Now it is coming under successive multiplication. So we need to multiply with the given weightage. The given weightage is 16, hexadecimal number. So 16 power 0. This number should be multiplied by 16 power 0. This number should be multiplied by 16 power 1. Then 16 power 2. This 2 is multiplied by 16 power 2. Right? So 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. So while going to this decimal, it is 16 power minus 1. Here start from 0, 1, 2. This side 0, 1, 2. While going this side minus 1, minus 2. This 4 should be multiplied by 16 power minus 1. This 5 should be multiplied by 16 power minus 2. Right? Now we'll multiply this, the corresponding digits. 2 into 16 power 2. 3 into 16 power 1 plus 7 into 16 power 0 dot 4 into 16 power minus 1, 5 into 16 power minus 2. Right? So all these corresponding digits and weightages are multiplied and added. So these are all added separately. These whole numbers are added separately. These decimal numbers are added separately. Right? This side we need to add separately and this side we need to add separately. Right? We'll go for further simplification. 2 into 16 power 2. 16 square is nothing but 256. Then 16 power 1 is 16. 3 into 16. 16 power 0 is 1. Right? So 4 into 16 power minus 1. This numerator 16 power minus, while going to the denominator, it become 1 divided by 16. This 16 power minus 1 becomes 16 power 1. Similarly 16 power minus 2 and the numerator, while going to the denominator, it become 1 divided by 16 power 2. 16 power 2 is nothing but 256. Already is available 256. Right? So this minus 1, 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, while going to the new denominator, it become the 16 power 1, 16 power 2, that is nothing but 256. Right? Now we'll go for further simplification. 2 into 256 is nothing but 512. 3 into 16 is 48. 7 into 1 is 7. Right? So these are all simplified. Now we'll go to this another, this side, decimal points. 4 divided by 16 is 0.25. 5 divided by 256 is 0.01. Right? Then now we simplified this value. This side separately and this side separately. So while adding, what we need to do? We need to add these three values alone and these two values alone. Right? The whole number should be added separately. Decimal numbers are added separately. So 512 plus 48 plus 7 is 567. 0.25 plus 0.01 is nothing but 0.26. So final value is 567.26 to the base 10. That is a decimal number. Right? So now the given hexadecimal number is converted into decimal number. The value is 567.26. So how we are doing? The hexadecimal numbers are written separately, each and every digit. That is multiplied by the weightage. 16 power 0. Start from here 0, 1, 2. That side minus 1, minus 2. Then corresponding values are multiplied and added. This side, these corresponding values are multiplied and added. So finally we got this value. So in this video we discussed two examples based on hexadecimal number system to decimal number system. Other number system, the videos are also available. Separate videos are available. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.